to the bathroom while Alexin was taking a bath. I should respect the privacies of women. I'm not a rapist. I'm not making peeping Tom. I said it. Let's respect to the women privacy. And anyway, here's the one thing I'm gonna say to you, Mark Cruz. You are wrong. My birthday wish to you. You need to delete that post against Rodrigo Duterte. It's really bullying Mark Cruz. I'm telling you. If you don't really how to delete it, you should delete it, Mark Cruz. Don't be such a stubborn. If I'm saying to you, delete, delete. That's why you don't know what you're doing. And mostly, my birthday wish to you, you need to stop saying bad words. Of course, that's your birthday. And you know, Mark Domingo Quason Cruz, you are wrong. Why I criticize you, Mark Domingo Quason Cruz? You're the one who bully Ryan Cristosero. Oh, you say bad words. For meanwhile, limit your bad words. Don't say bad words. You know, when I was in CDIFI, I was kicked out because I know I hurt Teacher May. I say a bad words. What did I say a bad words at Prince Gun? In Tagalog word, PI. Oh, it is my fault. As you can see, what I realized, it was my fault too. Oh, during the time my mom scolded me, I attacked Teacher May. I made fake account of Teacher May. That what did I say to Teacher May? A PI word and F word in Tagalog and English words. I know this is really hurt when Teacher May is very sick. Oh, she has stage 3 colon cancer. Unlike you, I'm just saying to you, Mark Domingo Quason Cruz, that 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 Rodrigo Duterte is very sick. He has diabetes, Mark Cruz. And you don't know what is diabetes. Do you want Rodrigo Duterte to die, Mark Cruz, the former president of the Philippines? To let him died in The Hague? Do you want to be happen? Unlike that, Mark Domingo Quason Cruz, I don't want to be happen. Me, I don't want to happen to Teacher May if she die also in colon cancer. I don't want to be happen. Oh. And I am telling you, Mark Domingo Quason Cruz, when you listen to your own parents, when you listen to your fellows, just stop nagging at Tatay Digong, Rodrigo Duterte. My birthday wish to you, delete that post against Rodrigo Duterte. Or we are not enemies anymore. I will leave you alone. I will stop bugging you unless if you didn't delete the photos that you said it to Rodrigo Duterte, that F word. You retweeted it. And you're the one who curses bad words at Tatay Digong, Mark Cruz. Don't you know Rodrigo Duterte is very sick? He has diabetes. What if I say if Sara Duterte read this in your in not only in the X Twitter, in the threads, what if Sara Duterte read that in the threads? If Sara Duterte read that word in the threads, I'm just gonna say to you, Mark Cruz, people there will get angry at you. I just want to demand you, Just delete that post. And don't be such a fool. You know what I did to David Gill and his family when I attacked them, when I attacked the church. Hey, I'm the one who's responsible who attacked the church. Oh. And I'm the one who say foul languages to Joel Ferrer. That was the uncle of David Gill. That was a friend of Roylan Marlang and friend of Aton Comentador's father. Whose really name is, who's that? Joel Ferrer. That was the uncle of David Gill. I apologize, Joel. Oh, that I will never say bad words again. Like me, when I use my bad words at Nanay Ningning, I call her an asshole word. What did I said before? I use my foul languages. All the Germans are very stupid. Nanay Ningning was offended. I apologize, Nanay Ningning, sincerely, and I told her, I will never say bad words. Oh, when I talk to Ate Isa, unlike you, Mark Cruz, you should never say bad words at Tatay Digong, Rodrigo Duterte. He is very sick. I am telling you, Mark Domingo Quazon Cruz, you and Teacher Alexandra Pagkalinawan, both of you are wrong. I am saying to you, Mark Cruz, and Teacher Alexandra Pagkalinawan, both of you are wrong. Both of you never raised by your parents. Teacher Alexandra Pagkalinawan, you said the bomb joke at J. Silva. And you saying about sabugin kong Davao City. And then Mark Cruz says about asshole word. You call me an asshole. You call me an F word. You call me, what's that word of Mark Cruz said? Fuck you word. Oh, that is really bad words. It is very nice to say bad words, Mark Cruz. Huh? Is this very nice? To say profanity? To say foul languages to other people? Even including Ryan Chris Lucero and Juan Carlo Pabale. You say bad words at them. Remember, Mark Cruz, Juan Carlo Pabale doesn't like your bad words. And Ryan Chris Lucero doesn't like your bad words. If Trisha Pong read this all the bad words, what you said that in the threads in Instagram. If Shania Kiana told to Trisha Pong, nako po, like I said, lagot talaga si Mark Cruz. And I am just saying to you, delete all your profanity words, what you are saying. Hey, you're the one who say bad words, Mark Cruz. I tried to stop you, and you didn't listen. At least I didn't say bad words too, Mark Cruz. Oh, I'm saying to you, when I say bad words, when you call me an asshole word, do you even call me F word, and even you call me SOB words? At least you label me in your enemy list. And you label Don Mardayaw. And even Kuya Rodelio Daguman. And even Mon Galang, even Robin Unyaw. You including them as an enemy and you saying us SOB? Mark Cruz, if I say to you, why can't you just shut up and delete all your bad words in Instagram threads? For many, many times, you always say bad words, Mark Cruz. That's why Dan Mardayaw and Jerick Silva and Ryan Chris Lucero and Carlo Pabale are criticizing you because you are saying bad words. That's why I've been told by by the lesson from Teacher May. Teacher May says to me, that bad words from Mark Cruz is not teachings of Jesus. It's not Teacher May who said it. It's Ate Rona said it. At least thank you, Ate Rona, for reminding to the one of the closest friends of Ronald Rebena in ASP. At least Ate Rona was my second mother, my third mother at the my second mother at the time. Even my third mother is Nanay Adeling and fourth mother is Nanay Ningning. Yeah, at least Ate Rona was right. Believe me, Mark Cruz, if I was told by Ate Rona, your bad words anyway, it's not a teachings of Jesus. Your bad words anyway, it's not a teachings of Jesus. And I am telling you, in the whole social media, and I'm calling out the parents of Mark Cruz to lecture the person that how to use social media. You need to lecture your son. If I'm saying to you, the mother of Mark Cruz, you didn't lecture your son because you know your son is really out of control. You ever seen that Mark Domingo Cruz, he hurt his brother? Because his brother trying to stop Mark Cruz to stop saying bad words. And he didn't listen. Where did you get that foul mouth anyway, Mark Cruz? Where did you get that foul languages? Did you get this in Team America, World Police? When you using bad words? I play Call of Duty Modern Warfare 2. I do not say bad words. I always limited my bad words when I say to Lemon, S-H-I-T, Lemon just be there, I limit my bad words. But not in social media. I never intention to hurt and insult anybody. Unlike you, Mark Cruz, you're insulting anyone. You're insulting J. Rick. When you greet happy birthday, you ever say more birthdays to come and do not say a F word. If I'm telling you, Mark Domingo Cruz, in my YouTube video, even my blog, do not say bad words. Even me, when I say bad words at Teacher Kel, even Escal Penumbra, I am the one who's responsible. I say bad words and I apologize to them that I will never say bad words. For me, in social media, I never want to say bad words. Remember that, Mark Cruz, there is a lesson to you. There is a lesson. The only I can say before, if your parents died, who will taking care of you, Mark Cruz? You will be homeless. This is a reality. It's not a threat, Mark Cruz. If your parents are gone, like I said before, pag wala ng magulang mo, I say again, Mark Cruz, sino aalagaan sa'yo? Mga kapatid mo, hindi sila papansinin. That's why. So, if I'm just saying to you, Mark Cruz, if your siblings never trusted you, even your brother, even your sister, if they never trusted you, that is your consequence, Mark Cruz, if your parents are gone. And even you, Teacher Alexandra Pagkalinawan, if your parents are gone, who will taking care of you? If your sister and your brother are already married, you will be homeless, Teacher Alexandra Pagkalinawan. And you didn't listen to your own parents. That's all I could say.